Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the wishes animation get well soon with your favorite picture. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Revive application, and don't worry because this Revive can be also installed into your Android or iOS phone. And as soon as the installation process is done, then you can click the app, and usually for the new user or the people that has not purchased the package, they usually will offer you the lifetime or the weekly package, and so does the benefits over here. And if you are interested, then you can continue to do the payment. But if you're not interested, then you can skip these offerings. But maybe there will be a lot of advertisement during the process. And if you're okay with that, then you can click or skip this offering and kindly wait for the advertisement. And after that it will direct you into the home page, and since we would like to create the get well soon animation, we can scroll down and we can choose this wishes and cheers category, and you can watch the preview first.
Hi! I hope you feel better. We need you back. Hi!
It's kind of cute. Then you can continue to create the animation.
Hi! I hope
And this is the section that you can choose the picture. So here you can choose the or select the picture from your gallery, or you can also choose the picture that has been provided by this Revive application. And I would like to choose the picture from my gallery, for example here, and I will click Revive and kindly wait for the process, because usually there will be a lot of advertisement or the long advertisement. Alright, this video is ready, and watch the result.
we need you back. Hi! I hope you feel better. We need you back. Hi! We need you
As you
back.
can see here, the gesture, it moves really well, but there will be neither detail for this section because this is not moving. So that's all guys, you can try this application into your device, and please let us know if this app also works for you. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another video tutorials. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.